Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fresh Dish. If you're looking for a fast and flavorful dinner idea, I have a chicken dish that I know will become a family favorite in your home. Today, I'm preparing chicken with lemon herb mushroom sauce. It's packed with bright flavors and is ready in just 20 minutes. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, thinly sliced boneless chicken breasts, olive oil, baby bella mushrooms, 1 shallot, low-sodium chicken broth, lemon juice, unsalted butter, fresh thyme, and salt and pepper for seasoning. Let's get started. Place flour in a shallow dish. You'll want to pat your chicken dry with a paper towel and then sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Dredge the chicken in the flour, shaking off the excess, and then place on a large plate. In a large nonstick skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Next, add your chicken and listen to it sizzle. Cook for about 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown, and then transfer to a clean plate. The next step is what makes this dish so delicious. We are building our sauce. In the same skillet, cook mushrooms, the shallot, and 2 tablespoons broth for about 7 minutes or until mushrooms are browned, stirring occasionally. Don't forget to season with a little salt and pepper as you go. Next, stir in the remaining broth and lemon juice and cook for about 5 minutes or until slightly reduced. While doing this, you'll want to scrape the brown bits from the bottom of the skillet with a wooden spoon. Lastly, stir in the butter and the thyme. Add your chicken that has been resting in the skillet and cook for 3 more minutes, spooning the sauce over the chicken to coat. This also allows the sauce to thicken just a bit more. This dish can be served with potatoes or pasta, but my personal pro tip would be to serve it with spiralized zucchini for a healthier twist. I hope your family loves this fast and flavorful meal as much as I do. We'll see y'all next time on Fresh Dish.